Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Guys, today I am bringing the Caribbean heat to your barbecue this summer with this bold, spicy jerk barbecue sauce. There's a twist to it, people. We are throwing in pineapple and some rum for that real Caribbean kick. And trust me, you will want to pour this on everything. Yes, you are through to Claudie Cook's kitchen. What are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. But before we do that, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Let's make this flavor bomb sauce. We're going in with 1/3 cup pineapple juice and about 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup. With the pineapple juice, it's really there for tanginess, to cut through the richness of this barbecue sauce. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1, 2. And this is the one I'm using. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. It's gonna add some umami flavor to this as well. You can just tell how this is going to taste, can't you? I know what it tastes like. I've made it, so I know it's delicious. And as I said in my intro, you're gonna wanna keep this on repeat. And we're going in with 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. We're going in with some jerk seasoning. I'm using Dunn's River. 2 tablespoons of that. Tablespoon of grated ginger. Teaspoon of garlic, grated garlic. In with some rum. Dark would be better, but I could only get this, so this is what I'm using. And we're going in with 1 tablespoon. If you're brave and you want more, put it in, but I'm using 1 tablespoon. I'm going in with some blended fresh pineapple chunks that I've blended with some water, and we're just going to pour that in. This helps, acts as a thickening agent to it as well. So in we go with that. Adding a tablespoon of honey for that extra bit of depth to this barbecue sauce. In with some chopped scotch bonnet. I've removed the seeds. And that's just about a teaspoon. And now we're going in with the warmth of this sauce. 1 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon. We're going in with 1/4 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Let's get the fire on. Right, I'm bringing it up to 7 on the heat scale, and we're just going to stir this until everything is combined, and then we're going to cover it once it starts to boil, and then we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will come back and add a bit of butter just for extra shine to this gorgeous and delicious barbecue sauce. And you know that this is going to go with anything you put it on when you're barbecuing, from your wings, your ribs, even vegetables. This is going to add flavor to whatever it is you want to put this amazing barbecue sauce on during your cookouts. Do you know what's making this sauce so special? It's adding pineapple and a splash of your favorite typical rum, of course. And that's what's going to set it apart from store-bought, all done at home. Time to put the lid on. We're going to reduce to medium low. Right, that's on 5, and we're just going to let that do its thing, reduce and get nice and thick and glossy. See you back then. Okay, that's 15 minutes. Let's turn the fire off. Just gonna give it a little stir. Can you smell that? It smells heavenly in the kitchen. Let's check for thickness. Look at that. Beautiful. And it's at this time you need to taste to make sure you've got enough sweetness and that everything is balanced. In for my taste. I know you're going to love this. That pineapple has brought a really nice brightness to it, a tropical twist, a little bit of sweetness but not overtly so, and it is just packing heat and flavor. We're going to go in with a little, about a quarter teaspoon of butter, unsalted. We're just going to stir that in. If you want this sauce to be super smooth, you can blend it, but I'm leaving mine as it is. It's rustic. Just letting this cool down a bit before I pour it. So I'll see you in a sec. Let's pour this magnificent sauce out. Don't want to waste any of this glorious barbecue sauce. Don't forget you can put it in a sterilized jar and keep it for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. And there you have it, guys, my Pineapple-Rum Jerk Barbecue Sauce. Go make it. Enjoy. Peace.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spice.